Hi guys, it's another day and do you have the key? I have to take my son to the dentist in the snow, believe it or not. He needs to clean out the car and we are absolutely running late, and I can't believe yesterday it was nice and sunny and today it's absolutely everywhere's covered in snow. Look, everywhere covered in snow. Ridiculous. The dentist, and who turns up? That's my father, viewers. This is my dad. I call him my 70. He's the one that reminded me of my son's appointment. And this is the dentist here. So we have to hurry. Good. Hold on. So guys, I've just finished at the dentist with my son. I'm going to deliver some hair to the clients. The same one that went to the dentist now decides he needs a pair of boots for his match for tomorrow. So in this weather I've had to come out to look for some boots. Hurry up, Lester. What do you want? Are you sure? They're upstairs now. How do you know they moved them upstairs? Do you come here? And we were lost like an early morning secret. I thought that I'd remember it all. Somehow, tear through the eyes. And we were gone like an early morning secret. I thought that I'd remember it right here. Guys, I decided to come to Tasties. Serious parking. I decided to come to Tasties because I'm hungry. It's actually in Thornton East. Oh my gosh.
I charge money.
It's actually touching his, and I bump into a video even.
I charge money for people to make me.
I know.
How are you? Good to see you. You look well as per usual.
Thank you. So I'm in Tasters at the moment. This is the menu. There you can see it. Okay, look. What the food? This is all their food. Okay, tasties. Don't worry, so you're not in it.
Do you want the grilled fish? And then they've got a different fish. No, it's not. It's the African fish.
3 stick meats. Or 4 actually. 4. And do you have any pop-up? But if not, that's it. So guys, I am back home and it has been a really busy day. Obviously having to take Lasha out in the snow, taking him to the dentist, then getting his trainers, blah blah blah. But yeah, it's been a really fun day. I have to obviously do a wig, so I had to come home quickly to, you know, install this lady's wig because she's flying off to America on Monday. But yes, all in all, it's been a really good day, and I'm going to go and settle down with my tasties. I did have some of the stick meat, but I'm going to go and settle down with the tasties, with the moi moi, and I did some efforiro, so I'm going to have with that. So guys, as I would always say, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the likes button, and don't forget to leave your comments down below and tell me what other kind of videos you enjoy me doing or want to see. Okay guys, that is it for me. Out and about, it's your girl Bylami. See you in my next video guys. Bye. I need my boots.
Just hot.
It's, what do you mean I should just walk? It's absolutely freezing. Can I have a